I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image and code path so loading succeeds. Put the file into your resources folder or alongside your class, and confirm the path is reachable on the class path. Once done, decide whether you will load via file, input stream, or resource URL. File is straightforward for desktop code, input stream, or get resource works better in JARs. Also make sure you use an appropriate format like PNG or JPEG, since some operations need alpha support for transparency. Next, you actually load the image and prepare it for use. Call image IO. Read with a file or input stream obtained from getResource as stream. Handle IO exception and check for null, which means the reader failed. Once you have a buffered image, convert or create a new buffered image of the desired type, such as type int_arg, if you need transparency or consistent pixel layout. This conversion avoids rendering surprises and enables reliable pixel operations, scaling, and composition later in the pipeline. Finally, you render or persist the image and verify success. To display, draw the buffered image inside Paint component using Graphics 2D, call Repaint when updated, and use proper scaling hints. To save changes, use image IO. Write with the desired format and handle IO exceptions. If the result is blank or missing, check the resource path versus working directory, ensure image IO supports the format, and confirm your code isn't using null images. One key troubleshooting tip: log the returned buffered image and file existence before further processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.